Wally era, nigga. Straight up. And all them big niggas know. All them niggas that did all that time, they know how I get there. When I come in. Straight up.
What's up, squad? It's TheConnect860. Please like, comment, subscribe. Back with another review. Today we got the Wu-Tang Clark Wallabee official joints, dead stock from Clark's. Color is black. If you see my last video, I was pretty excited when I got the mustard yellow ones. I'll show you those in a minute. Once I got them and saw how dope they were in hand and the quality and the feel, I said I'm gonna have to get all of them. So that's just what I did. So right now I'm gonna be showing you the black pair. Check out the review for the tan and blue pair, and I already posted a review for the mustard yellow pair. But let's get back to the shoe. Wu-Tang stamp on the inside. I don't know if you can, okay, here we go. Enter the Wu-Tang on the tongue. Premium gold tip laces. Just overall dope shoe. I'm from the Wally era. I couldn't resist them. I tried to only get the yellow joints. Like, yeah, I won't get them all. I'll just get the yellow ones. And then I just kept thinking, I'm like, I gotta get them all. And they were sold out. But once again, if you know, you know, you're able to get them. I've been doing this for a long time. You get what I'm saying? So there's just certain spots I go to that I know is gonna have it for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe to TheConnect860. Wu-Tang, all black, suede, Wallabee, gold tip laces. I'm out.
All them niggas that did all that time, they know how I get there. When I come in. Straight up. PO's all them niggas salute me. Listen, man. Niggas see that, niggas be like, yo, let him through. That's a made nigga right there. That's a nigga, and he gon' punch you in your mouth if you say something slick. You see these shits right here? I'ma die with these on